Excuse my look. I am so tired, but heading to Texas. Thank God for clear NTSA pre-check. That's how I was able to get in a minute. Here we go. I literally just got back from Texas 2 hours ago, and now I need to head to a wedding. And this video is sponsored by Ana Luisa, and I am so excited because I have been looking at all of their jewelry. The only thing that I do look into are earrings. All of the earrings that I got are plated with 14 karat gold. So I got this Neva Huggy Hoop. This one is Cody. Excuse my nails. This is after the BTS concert. I got these delicate Huggies, which I think I'm going to wear today to the wedding. And then I got these medium slim hoops. But I love how simple and dainty it all looks, and I really wish I had second piercings because then I would be able to wear multiple and stack the jewelry together. I think that would look really nice. I only have one piercing on each ear, so I'll make sure to leave a link in my description. Please click that one if you want to shop and look around. And there's a lot of holiday sales going on, so that's always exciting. This one would be super great for like a higher one or a second piercing that you can stack. I am half awake right now, but I gotta go work out. What is happening to my voice? For those of you who watch my videos, you know that I go to Barry's boot camp a lot for my workouts, and I typically would drive 30 minutes and then 30 minutes back, sometimes 45 minutes. Luckily, a Barry's boot camp has now opened 2 minutes from my house. As you can tell, I'm very different after my workout and right when I wake up. It is 7:03 in the morning. I have not grocery shopped at all, which I will do later today, so I need to just eat whatever I have at home. So I've got some ketchup Lay's, a perfect bar, 2 potato balls that my mom got me. If it weren't for this, I don't know what I would eat today. Do I need both? I think I'll go for just the regular apple today. Welcome to smoothie time with Maya. Lately, I have been doing so many things at once that I haven't had time to clean my room, do laundry, or grocery shop. So today I'm going to get my life in order. And the hope is that by the holiday season, I can actually relax and feel like everything's taken care of. On my to-do list today, I need to go to work, then I'm going to grocery shop, then I'm going to come home, put all my groceries away, and then clean my entire apartment, eat. Lately, I've been feeling really overwhelmed, and I know when I feel this way, it's because I'm not taking time to just rest and spend time with God, and especially when it comes to work. I work a lot, not only as a teacher, but as a YouTuber. So I am reading this book once again, Every Good Endeavor, and it's about why God created work, why we work, and work is meant to be hard, and we are called to work hard, but talking all about work. Today's verse of the day on my YouVersion Bible app is, "In the same way, let your light shine before others, that they may see your good deeds and glorify your Father in heaven." Matthew 5:16. Time to put them all away. Alright, all All my groceries are put away and now it's time for me to clean, and I'm purposefully cleaning first because I'm hungry, so I'm gonna clean faster. Laundry time. Alright, it's time for me to officially relax. My laundry is in the washer. Gonna grab some dinner, make some dinner, and I've got my diffuser going to help me relax. Also turn on my humidifier. Also have an air purifier. Normally I would eat my dumplings with chopsticks, but less dishes. I have not watched Netflix in a really long time, but this just came out, so I will start it. As of right now, it's giving me Love Struck in the City vibes, where he's looking at the camera and he's aware of the audience. I don't know if that's just part of this scene. I'm not sure how I feel about it yet. So I like to hang dry all of my workout clothes and anything that is a little more delicate. And actually, when I was teaching in Europe, I noticed that all of the apartments don't have a dryer. Everybody hang dries their clothes. It was very rare to see a dryer, but I think that's even better because then you save electricity too. I have been using the same skincare routine for quite some time now. I start off with the PCA Total Serum. Wait for it to dry a little bit. Then I use my Crave Beauty Great Barrier Relief. And sometimes I'll use my Elastin Skincare Skin Nectar. And then finish it off with my Rovectin Clean Moisturizer. Okay, lovelies, thank you so much for joining me on my little reset routine slash getting my life together while coming back from a really hectic few weeks. Also, please remember to check out Ana Luisa with the link in my description because they're having a huge sale and this is the perfect time to get people that you love a gift. I'm sure they'll love it. One of my friends also told me that she had the same exact earrings that I got. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye!